Slow path is the best path. This is something that doesn't make sense in the beginning. But one thing you realize is that data, especially personalized data, your data, is what'll bring long-lasting success in trading. In the beginning, you believe it's a strategy or it's a indicator or it's a, guru that's going to help you get to where you want to get. But some of you will last long enough to learn that it's really just testing in data. This isn't, it's not sexy, it's not quick, especially in trading. It takes months to even years to collect this data, refine your data, come to a point where you create a trading model that you can execute day in and day out. That's why I call it the slow path, but the slow path is the best path because in you testing, in you refining, you embed within yourself a, a sense of confidence. It's not based on what you feel. It's based on what you're aware of. It's based on the data. It's based on the repetition. There's no guesswork. Very different than taking someone else's strategy and, you know, hoping it works based on what they're telling you, as opposed to using a strategy based on what you know from the data you collected and the time you've spent with it, you know. And it's very hard to convince somebody starting out that this is the best way to go about it. We all, we've all done it where we come in to the space and feel it's not, some are not even aware that this is the best path. We think, no, it has to be this strategy or that strategy or Fibonacci or RSI or, Hakanashi, harmonics, all different type of, we think it's the tools and then we think it's the guru or we think it's, or if you're unfortunate enough to join a signal group, you know, but at the end, the truth is understanding your own numbers, doing the hard work of repeating a model and collecting the data and refining it over time, over hundreds, even thousands of trades. And through there will be truths that come out of the numbers and help tell you where to go, you know. But that is the long path. And us as humans, we oftentimes don't want to go the long way. We want to go the short way towards riches because we need the money now. But as time goes on, I see the slower path, like I said, is the best path.